Lift the submersible pump to make the casing pipe free. A pit of 5 feet diameter and 10 feet depth is dug, keeping the casing pipe at the center. Cut off the pipe, leaving 1 foot at the bottom. Screen filter of this kind is available for this purpose. It has the coupling on either side and it easily fits to the casing pipe. Place 8 ready-made concrete rings of 1 foot height and 4.5 feet diameter size. Put cement plaster to the ring joints from outside. Then, fix the cut casing pipe on the screen filter. Put a concrete bed around the casing pipe to avoid slipping down of the same. Place the perforated concrete lid on the 8th ring. Then put 2 more rings on it. Fill the 9th ring with 40 mm granite jelly up to 6 inches in height. Then a layer of wood charcoal for 3 inches height. Next 3-inch layer is 20 mm jelly. Above that is a clean thick sand layer of 6 inches height. This completes the filtering system. Silt traps are necessary all along the feeding canal. Clean runoff water flows to the percolation pit and filters down. In case of drinking water bore well, only roof water is fed. The entire space below the 9th ring is empty. Filtered rainwater collects in this space and pressure builds up. Then the water enters the borewell through the screen filter. This method is simple, but the percolation pit is small, which cannot hold the entire water during heavy rains. Filtering layer is also very thin, which may allow the silt inside if it is disturbed a little bit. This method is in practice in low rainfall areas. It costs around 30,000 rupees. Though these methods seem to be very simple, it is better to adopt them under the guidance of concerned experts. Open wells dried up after the 70s. The groundwater table is going lower and lower. Bore wells are also drying up in many areas. Nobody knows the fate of agricultural irrigation in the future. Canal water supply for all agricultural lands is impossible. Joining all rivers of India is difficult in the near future, looking to the political scenario of the country. Diverting the rivers against their natural direction, etc., are just the political game plans. Fighting for water after leaving the abundant rainwater to flow into the sea is our foolishness. Water scarcity problem has gone out of our hands already. At least now, we have to start serious efforts towards rainwater harvesting. No life can exist on this planet without water. Better late than never. Let us come together for soil and water conservation to save the precious life on the earth. Let us join hands for this noble cause.
The wheels of time keep turning. Seasons change. The blistering heat of May and June creates a yearning for the rains. And then, every year, the monsoon arrives. Sometimes it is plentiful, sometimes scarce, but come it does every year. And so it did this year too.
त्या दिवशी पहिला पूर आला आणि शिशिट्या अशा टुम भरल्या, तळे टुम भरले. सकाळी 7 वाजता जाऊन पूर्ण लोक ते डोंगरा बघून असे उड्या मारत होते, तळेत नाचायला, पवायला.